Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. In this video, we're going to show you how to protect your information on your smartwatch. That's going to go for the Galaxy Watch, the Galaxy Watch 3, the Galaxy Watch Active 1 and 2, and also the Gear S3. So with that, let's get started. All right, you all, today we're going to show you how to set up a lock screen on your Galaxy Watch, the Galaxy Watch 3, your Galaxy Watch Active 1 and 2, and also your Gear S3. Now, this is a very valuable feature to have on your smartwatch because this is going to protect the things that matter most that's in your smartwatch, like your email, your contacts, and also what's most important, it's going to be your Samsung Pay. Now, there's a lot of you all that already know how to set this up. Some of you all have forgotten that you even have this feature, and the rest of you all you just didn't know. All right. Now, it's really easy to set up. Now, I find this to be very important simply because sometimes you lose things. Like you can leave this in a hotel on vacation. Wonder if you leave this at a restaurant. I wonder if you it falls off your wrist, right? Your information will then be protected with a lock screen on your smartwatch, okay? So all you simply have to do is just drop the screen down. You're going to see the setting wheel. If you don't, scroll over to the next page and you should find it. Tap on it. Now what we're looking for is security and privacy. Once you tap on that, you'll see lock. Tap on lock, you'll see type. And once you tap on type, you're going to be offered an option between pattern, pin, or none. Now we want to use pattern. We like pattern. Pattern is a lot easier than putting in numbers. So it wants you to set your pattern up twice. And that'll probably be the same way for your number pattern, right? And so once we get here, let's scroll up. It says use for screen and payments. Once I tap on that, then it's going to ask me, do I just want payments only? Me, I want both because I want to keep my information private, right? So let's go ahead. Let's tap on that and then we're good to go. So what's good about this is that once you have this set up and the watch is on your wrist, you do not have to worry about setting up going through your pin security every time your watch goes into sleep mode or into the always on mode. You don't have to worry about that. Once you take the watch off and it lays down for a few seconds and then you pick it back up and you put it on your wrist, then you'll have to put the pattern in. After that, it stays on, which I thought was a really, really cool feature. So let's see how that works. Let's make sure this cuts off. All right, now, once you cut it back on and you pick it up for the day or the night to put the watch on your wrist, you are going to see a lock. Now, that's going to let you know that no matter if anybody tries to go into your widgets or your email or even try to pull down your drop screen, nothing is going to happen at all. Check this out. Nothing. Over to your widgets. Nothing. So I thought this was a really, really cool feature to have on the smartwatch. But the question I have for you today is, did you know that you had this type of security on your smartwatch? And if you did, will you be adding this to your smartwatch to protect the important information that's on your smartwatch? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.